What to put around septic tank? Properly maintaining the area around your septic tank is essential to its longevity and the overall appearance of your yard. It's important to choose the right materials and plants to avoid damaging the system. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 simple ideas to consider. 1. Gravel or crushed stone provides excellent drainage and prevents water from pooling, which can damage the septic tank. 2. Mulch. Organic mulch like bark or wood chips helps retain soil moisture while promoting drainage. Just don't apply too much. 3. Ground cover plants. Low-growing plants like clover or creeping thyme have shallow roots that won't disrupt the tank or pipes. 4. Rock gardens. Large rocks or boulders prevent heavy equipment from damaging the tank and add an attractive, natural look. 5. Ornamental grasses. Decorative grasses with shallow roots are a great choice for adding texture without threatening the system. 6. Gravel pathways. Create a gravel path for easy access to the septic tank while preventing soil compaction. 7. Wildflowers. Wildflower meadows provide color and won't invade your septic system space with deep roots. 8. Pavers. Concrete or stone pavers offer a stable walking surface and protect the soil around the tank. 9. Raised planters. Elevate plants to control root growth and prevent roots from interfering with the tank. 10. Decorative fencing. Fencing can protect the area from heavy traffic and mark off the septic tank for easy identification. By using these items, you can protect your septic tank while enhancing your yard's appearance. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.